video. My name is Kylie, and I got a squishy package, I think. Yeah, it's a squishy package from my friend. I got only 3 things, which they were all $3, which is like $6. So I spent $6, no hate, I paid for it. And she said there will be extras in a little bag, but let's look. So the first thing I'm going to pull out, so I'm not letting anybody look. I don't know why it's in a locker. That's really strange. I think these are the extras. Yeah. Extras. And is there a note? No, there's not a note. But let's look. We got a little Beanie Boo. It's a Beanie Boo. And we got a Toy Story thing. Anything. And got I think it's a top. I don't like tops. And she knows I don't. A fidget spinner. I might order slime. I don't know. Maybe from my cousin. So I'm going to just put this back in the locker. And I'm going to start pulling out my 3 squishies. The first one, I got an ice cream and one of those, you'll see. I don't know what it's called. And then a paw. So the first thing I pull out is the thing I couldn't tell you was. Let's see how slow rising it is. I don't know why, but there is a little crack, which I'm pretty disappointed. And that hole right there. And what is that? Oh, wow. It's pretty, and it's all dirty. You could tell it was used, but it's very squishy. I'm not too happy about this one. I don't know what happened, and it's not even in a bag, okay, let's hope my ice cream's good. And my palm mark. Let's see. My palm, it's dirty, and it has a hole. All right. I'm sorry, but I don't know what happened to my friend. Here's my ice cream. This one has a little crack right there, and it's dirty, but I'm kind of happy. Let's see how squishy. That's pretty squishy. I think I got scammed. This is the worst squishy package ever. I think it came with the mirror. It came with the mirror. But that is not good. But check out my next video that I'm about to do. I'm about to do another video, but I have to call my friend and tell her that she scammed me and she has to pay me back. She probably didn't mean to scam me. She probably didn't squish it or look at it. She probably just put it in the package. It probably had a rough time. But bye guys. Hope you have a great